Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can break lines in Overleaf. So let's get straight into it. Now we have several ways to do that. So I will show you some of them. Now the first one is two backslashes. So if we do it like that, that means uh, use this on at the end of a line to start a new line immediately without creating a new paragraph. Okay, so if I demonstrate it right over here in the middle somewhere like that, then we have the new line command. So we can do it like that, new line. So we have here the command that we can use. So the like that. This is sometimes preferred for clarity in the code. Then what we have is new paragraph. So we can go like something like that. And we will go to same as a blank line, but used in macros. And we can also do it like new line plus gap. So this is two backslashes and then we put in this and this is like an gap between the text after it. So if I go like that, you will put something like that in the text. As you can see now, is a gap right over here at the right side. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.